This time of year, our markets are brimming with winter veggies. The good thing about these are they're reasonable and super versatile, which means they're just as good in our soups as they are sautéed. But my new favorite way to make them has to be roasted. Let me show you. We start by cutting half a head of cauliflower into florets and placing them in a large bowl. To that, we add some Brussels sprouts that we've cleaned, trimmed, and cut in half, along with some chunked up carrots and butternut squash. You want to make sure everything is cut about the same size so they cook evenly. And when it comes to cutting the butternut squash, we found that it's easier to cut it into chunks before removing the skin. Or better yet, if your market has them already peeled and cubed, pick those up. Now all we have to do is toss them with some olive oil mixed with a good amount of seasonings before roasting them. And when these babies are tender on the inside and crispy around the edges, are you ever in for a treat? You see, when we roast them, the natural sugars come out, making these irresistible. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call roasted winter veggies, along with more of our roasted vegetable recipes. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an in-season way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.